to Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It is fantastic. Anyway, it's just a little news, you know what I mean? I was watching the news this morning and I think come to my mind and I was saying to myself that you know what I mean, a lot of people all over the world eat fish, love fish, and also always buying fish from the market and the supermarket and all these places. But we all know that, you know what I mean, when I was watching the news this morning and they was saying that, you know what I mean, so many fish out of sea being eating plastic. Listen to me, guys. Plastic, you know, plastic bottle, you name it, plastic, all kind of stuff, bag, you name it, all kind of rubbish you can think of in the sea. So basically, you know what I mean, I want to say what they were saying, that the fish been eating these things in the sea, and then we as the human being go and buy those fish and we go home, cook it. What they are saying, do we are eating the plastic also? The plastic gonna go into our blood, and a couple of years time from now something gonna happen to us. Anyway, guys, what I want you to do, please leave your comments down below and tell me what you think about these things, because right now we live into a world now where there's so much things going on, guys, and we have to look out for ourselves. And one thing I want to say, and that's why I said to myself, say, if you even turn vegetarian, there is chemical, there's some way we now have to use on these kind of veg to preserve the veg them, to sort of something to make the veg them grow. So there is so many things, guys, going on, you know what I mean. As it goes along, the most important thing what you have to do is bless your food and eat it. Okay, I want to say yes, I just want to simply say to you guys that the fish, what they are saying, that there's so many plastic in this other country been washing up at the seashore, and when you look at the plastic bottle, fish eat off 3/4 of it already. And you know what I mean, what they're saying, remember when the fish eat it, it go inside of the fish, and then we go and catch those fish and we eat it. Do we are eating plastic also? And I'd like to know that one. So please leave your comments below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you can tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica and the world. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more dishes and a lot more recipe. Stay tuned.